This final video is about copying and pasting output. So here's some text. I think this is the text from one of my persuasive paragraphs. If I click on the text and if I double click, it will show me the formula. So the formula is embedded in the output in Google Sheets. Let me click outside to get back to the text. So if I click on the text and then right click and left click copy and go to a different cell, right click, left click paste, GPT will ask me to provide the topic you'd like her or him to write about, and she will create a one-paragraph argument for you. And that's because SheetGPT is copying and pasting the formula, and there's a cell reference in the formula, and SheetGPT doesn't know what the cell reference is because I've gone to a different cell, so it's asking me to provide more information. So if you want to copy and paste output, you need to put it in a Google Doc or some other kind of document that's not a Google Sheet. So I could click in the cell with the output, right click, left click copy, and now let's go get a new Google Doc. And now I can right click in the Google Doc and paste, and now I can paste the output, and if I double click on it, there's no formula embedded into it because I have left the Google Sheet and the Google Doc is not enabled with SheetGPT.